get me because I do not know where I am. I am completely lost and I don't know where I'm going, so. You're like, what, half an hour? And...
we going? Yeah? Go.
Oh my god, the small pecan.
That's cute, baby.
Like, what is this? That is so cool.
I haven't got to it yet.
I've resorted to lying on the floor. Travel sickness. Christmas tree in the middle of the car park. Great. I'm here. Look, it says my name on the TV. Can you see that? It says my name on the telly. I'm so excited, but I feel like shit. So I don't know whether to stay in and have a nap so I can fully enjoy it when I do go out, or just to push myself and then sleep lots later. I do feel a bit sick, to be honest with you, so the ferry was not kind. It really wasn't. I was lying on the floor. You would have seen the clip before this, but yeah. I'm in Disneyland and this hotel. Oh my god. Right. So, growing up, my brother was obsessed with the film Cars, and this hotel is based around that film, and it makes me feel like I'm in it. They've got like the traffic cones, lights above the bed, and then there's like a traffic cone lamp, and there's like all around the border are the Cars characters, and then on this we have Mater. I don't know if it's reflecting. It is. No, the lights are not being kind to that, are they? This is like a garage whip station. And then I'm appreciating this. And the bathroom. There's like checkered flag pattern all around here. Look at the kid. And then look at the mirror. I'm so excited. You should see outside. You should see outside. Look, the path is like a road, and then that mound over there is a volcano. Which, like, what? Oh, it's so cool. I keep going to say pretty. It kind of is pretty, but like, I'd say cool is a more apt word. But yeah, and then look at the curtains. But like, I'm chuffed to bits that my name is actually on a Disneyland TV. What? What? Okay. I'm so excited. Oh, and I gave out my Disney bauble things and everyone seemed to like them, so that's cool. Oh my god, guys. I'm so happy. So the plan is I'm gonna have a quick freshen up, then have a lie down and wait for the other guys. And then I'm gonna go into the village with them, and it's gonna be fun, but I'm gonna be tired. Also right now I'm kind of in that moment, you know, when you like, you know you're hungry but you feel sick because you're hungry and you can't eat because you feel sick, so you gotta stay hungry. That's where I am right now. This is a Christmas spirit jersey.
Right, I need a meat. Oh, there's so many. Right, I am sorted.
There's a medium there. I think they're all smalls and mediums. I need a large. There's a large.
Oh my god, it's so freaking beautiful!
I'm about to go into the Disneyland Hotel for the first time ever, and I'm not okay.
Oh, that was... Yep. Push the door. There we go.
It does smell really good.
First time, isn't it? Oh.
So I've just come back and had a quick outfit change. I bought this today. It's the cutest thing I've ever had. And I'm wearing my elf hat because Danny is the kindest person ever and managed to squeeze me in on their booking for Inventions. So I guess I'm going to Inventions tonight. I'm now going to meet up with the little group and head to the Disney Hotel.
No, but I never go through the back door.
It's so pretty, like dead.
Thank you. I got you and Sticky as gingerbread. So I love Christmas. Do you like those? Aww.
Hang on. Goofy, do your floss again.
Floss, do you dance?
Oh.
They're gorgeous, aren't A few months too early for Star Wars Day. Be later in Star Wars Day, maybe. Don't like you.
High five.
No. I'd leave her.